Hello everyone, in today's quick video I will talk to you about database migration using Realm on your SwiftUI project. So the first thing you need to do is to add Realm library to your SwiftUI project, and you will achieve that by clicking on File, Add Package Dependencies, and here you need to paste Realm URL and then click Add Package. I can see it here right now because I recently used it. However, if you didn't use it till now, then you won't see it here, and you need to find URL and paste it here. Click Add Package, and then you will see the pop-up will appear, and then also Add Package, and that's it. Now you have it in your project. In this example, I have Realm Manager, so I created this class which has a local Realm object, nullable, initializer. So in initializer we open Realm, we make a configuration, current schema version is 3, we set that config to default configuration, and we initialize Realm. And this is the static instance to so we can use in our project that we can use every time the same instance. Inside your app class, so this here you need to initialize your Realm Manager, and that's it. You can use it now in your project. I created a view to show it to you. So here we have observed results of type transaction. I have for each, and I will show you now in simulator. So this is some list of transactions that are saved inside Realm database, and this is their total value. This is the transaction, so it's basically just a class that has persisted primary key ID and persisted value, some value total, which is double. And what we want to do now is, if I for example add something to this class, so this is like database table. If I add here let's say customer name type string, if we try to run this now, it doesn't work because we added something. As you can see here, property transaction customer name has been added, and because of that we need to upgrade our schema version, so we can set it to 4. But in this case we don't have to do anything here. We don't have to explicitly add some code for migration. Everything works perfectly because Realm automatically migrated to new version. And just a second, I will also add here vstack text, and for the second row we will print customer name. Okay, just a second. What should we do here? Let's say item in, item total, item customer name. Okay, we'll now try to print this. As you can see now, every customer name is empty. So Realm automatically migrated and added this property, and it's empty for all the rows that we currently have in our database. If we, for example, add items, this is add items function, and here I check if local Realm is not nil, and I will just add one transaction with customer name Jeff. We can now try to run this. As you can see now, in our latest row in database, we have a Jeff for customer name, and all the other ones have just empty string. So that's it for this video. That's it. If you have some minor change that is simple, you just need to upgrade your schema version and everything will work as before. In the next video, I will show you how to manually add code for migration when, for example, you added another class. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. You can find a lot more useful content about SwiftUI topic, and see you in the next video.